Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a suggestion from one of my subscribers on this radio. This is the ATS-20 Plus from GOOZEEZOO. That it comes with this telescopic antenna, and fully extended, it's about 30 inches. He suggested that since I also have from GOOZEEZOO this antenna, this loop antenna with the filter and amplifier, that I hook that up to this radio and see what kind of performance I get, increase I get. Two things. If I say again, I'm going to kick myself. Two things. Number one, when you're listening to shortwave, you need a long antenna, at least 20 feet. So this is way too short, preferably outside. Now, if you can't do that, the next best thing is a loop antenna inside. So I've got this set up. It's tuned to Radio Martini, and it's using the loop antenna right now, and it's doing a great job. But Radio Martini is a strong station where I live. It comes in strong. So we're going to try it with it's hooked up to the loop antenna, and we're going to try it with the telescopic antenna. You probably won't notice too much difference because it is a strong station. Then we'll tune the band and find a station using the loop antenna. We'll disconnect that and hook up the telescopic antenna and see if we can still receive it. It may take a while to do this. Okay, here we go. So let's disconnect. We'll turn it off and we'll disconnect it. And luckily, this loop antenna comes with a cable to do exactly what I'm doing. So I didn't have to purchase or find another cable. Okay, we extend telescopic antenna fully. Get my hands off of it. Okay, it's struggling right now. Oh, I know why. I bumped the frequency. That's why. I was cheating there a little bit. Okay, let's turn the volume up. Okay, still good. But like I said, that's a strong signal. Now, I'm going to take that back off. Ooh. I'm going to set it down, and then I'm going to hook the loop antenna back up. Now that's with the amplifier off. And I'll turn the volume up a little more. Okay, now we're going to tune the band. Let's go down to WWV at 5 megahertz and see if it picks it up. Okay, let's listen. And I'll tweak this and have it be perpendicular to the direction where WWV transmitter is. So far we don't hear anything. Maybe we won't. I did hear it earlier, half hour ago. No, I don't hear anything. Oh, there's why. I don't have the amplifier on. There we go. Now we can turn it down. Now, it is noisy, but I can hear the beeps. You see if we can hear the beep on the minute. It's coming up soon. There it is. Did you hear that? That was the beep on the minute. I didn't hear the voice, but I did hear the beep. And we can actually try tweaking this a little more. I'm getting quite a bit of noise up here in my office. That should be about right. Let's see if I can hear the beeps. No, I can't hear the beeps. We'll wait to the minute one more time. Told you it's going to take a while. And this is a very, very small sample. Look, my cat's been up here. Okay, I heard the voice. You probably couldn't hear it. I heard the male voice. Very faint, but I did hear it. Now, let's turn this off. And we'll disconnect this. And then we'll hook up the telescopic antenna. Like I say, this is only a sample of one. We get a lot more noise. We're still on 5 megahertz. My focus. My focus is going way out. Come on, camera, here. Focus right here. There we go. Okay, I'll shut up and we'll listen. No, I didn't hear anything. It's been a minute. Yeah, so it's not picking up at all. So the gentleman that suggested I try this was correct with this loop antenna. Reception is better. Now the other thing, let me turn this volume down. I don't want to compete with the noise. The other thing is that I noticed that I didn't show you is on the medium wave band using the telescopic antenna, I didn't receive a lot of stations. Normally I receive a lot of stations. FM, it was fine, but AM I didn't receive many stations. And I'm thinking the reason being is on medium wave, you typically want a ferrite rod coil antenna, which this doesn't have. There's nothing inside, I don't think. I'm pretty sure. I've seen the inside. I didn't take this apart, but I've seen it inside on like Fred in the Shed videos. So it's really struggling on medium wave. Now, this is a loop antenna that will go down even below medium wave, long wave, and we'll try it. So let's go to that band. Going down. Okay, there's 97.0, which is an extremely strong station near me. So we should get that pretty easy. So it's getting it okay. Another good one is 620. You good at? I mean, not, yeah, 620. Used to be. I don't know if they're still on the air. 620. I don't hear anything. So, let's try. I hear a little bit when I put my hand on the telescopic antenna. Now, let's hook up the loop. Okay, now the amplifier's not on yet, so we don't hear anything. Look there. And I could tune it in. Look at that. What a difference. What a difference. And like I said, let me turn the volume down here. I hope I had the volume up loud enough for you to hear the difference. Like I said, I don't think there's any internal loop antenna, ferrite antenna for medium wave on this radio. So you really need an external antenna, and this is doing a fine job. You can build, I saw one video where someone built a real simple coiled antenna, about that big, and it made a big difference. So this radio is for medium wave is going to need a external antenna, not the shortwave antenna, not this guy. So I hope that answers the gentleman's questions, and I think that was a great suggestion. And this is a great combination from GOOZEEZOO to get you started into shortwave, medium wave, long wave listening. And as I mentioned before, it has single sideband. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.